Hi guys, this is Rubail. Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Google AdSense account and how you can show Google Ads into your WordPress website. So first of all, we have to make a Google AdSense account. So let's do that. First of all, enter your website URL here, then your email, then click on yes or not if you want to get Google AdSense related info. Then save and continue. After save and continue, Google will take few days for reviewing your site. They will review your site whether it is eligible or not for getting approved Google AdSense. So here I would like to mention here that if you want to get approved Google AdSense, your site has to be well organized. Otherwise, they are not going to approve your Google AdSense account. So I'm not going to sign up now because I have already created a AdSense account. So after sign up, we shall log in into Google AdSense account. Then we shall create a ad slot. Then we shall implement this. Then add unit because we want to create a ad unit. We are now going to create ad unit, and for creating ad unit we shall use whatever we like in our site. But there is another way to show ad, that is auto ad. If you want to show auto ad in your site, just you can see here is auto ad off. You have to on this. Just click here, auto ad switch on, and then apply to site. If we apply to site, Google will automatically show ad into different place in our site where they will think they will show ad into site. Usually I don't recommend this because we shall create ad slot and use wherever we like. So for doing this, we shall create by ad unit and then click on display ad, and we shall use square size. If you want, you can use horizontal or vertical also. So I'm going to use square, and this ad unit name is ad one. Just ad one, then create. Now copy this code, and first of all I would like to show this ad into my blog sidebar here. So go to widget and custom HTML this widget. Just click here and paste the code, AdSense code. Save it and verify details. It will take some time to show this ad. Just we have to wait a bit. It's still not showing. If we just miss picture, we shall be able to see the ad slot here. This is the ad slot. Sometimes it takes time to be implemented. Just while waiting for showing the ad. Yeah, now it's showing. Okay, so now in the blog sidebar is showing through widget. Now we are going to show another ad into my home page at the very bottom of the site. Here one ad is showing. I want to show another ad at the very bottom here. So for doing this, you should go to AdSense account, and then shall create another ad unit. I would like to name it ad unit 2. Create. Just copy this code and go to my site backend, and I will paste it at the very bottom of my site. Just here, HTML, this one, and paste it here. Save changes, update, and this should be shown here. Just refresh this page. My internet connection is a little bit slow here today. It's taking time. Yeah, you can see this is showing here. Yeah. So by this way you can show ad into different places in your WordPress site if you want, and just you can show another ad here, and then here and there everywhere you can show. Just you will create ad slot and you will use it in your site. So now I'm going to show you how you can show ad by using a plugin. So let's do that. For doing this we need a plugin. I have already installed a plugin named WP Quads. If you want you can use this plugin. This is a free plugin. Just click on add setting and then click on assign to beginning of the post. I mean every post I would like to show this ad. At the very beginning of every post it will show, and then I just want to use post. So that's all, and click save changes, and then we shall create ad here, add one, copy paste code. We shall paste here the code. I would like to create just another ad unit. Name blog ad, and then just create. Copy this code, go here and paste it here, and get code. Okay, then fixed size. This is 400 by 300. I would like to hear you. I'm in the middle of the post, and then save change. That's all. Now let's go to post, because every single post now will be shown. View this post. It takes some time. Yeah, it will be shown here. Just inspect. Yeah, this one you can see this is the ad slot. It will take some time, so maybe an hour it may take, and then it will be shown here. So now every post, at the very beginning of every post, this ad will show. I hope you guys can understand this tutorial, and you will be able to show Google AdSense ad through your website. So if you like this video, just like, comment and share this video and subscribe the channel, because I am going to publish this kind of helpful video every time into this channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.